Hello guys, welcome to another episode of So South Tweet Pe Charcha. This is Maruti Acharya
I'm Deepthi Rao.
and we are back again with another tweet slash controversy slash discussion. But before getting into this, we just recently uploaded a video about boycott Netflix trend that is happening on platform X. And this trend is about the upcoming movie on Netflix, which is Maharaj, starring Junaid Khan, son of actor Amir Khan, and there is an outrage about the movie of boycotting that movie. What is the reason? What is it all about? Please take that video. And coming back to the topic, who is Giorgia Meloni?
Narendra Modi's bestie.
Melody. Okay, so not getting into the joke part of it, but also getting into the joke part of it. For the people who don't have context, yeah. So for the people who don't know, I am pretty sure you are minority, but still, for the people who don't know, Giorgia Meloni is Prime Minister of Italy, but she is now the famous person among the Indian masses and trending on tweet and trending on platform X also. So why? Why do you think that is?
The only reason that I know that she's the Prime Minister of Italy is because of all these memes of her greeting Modi and them having these meet cute moments.
Meet cute selfie मैंने ले लिया.
Hello from the Melody team.
Okay, so that is what is happening, and there is something that happened because of which this whole outrage was happening. And for the people, context again, Narendra Modi is going back again to Italy, that too again being Prime Minister for the third time. This is his first international trip that is happening to attend a summit in Italy, G7 summit. So people are also excited about what is going to happen. Let's get to the tweets. Okay, so this video of George Meloni, namaskar. No, George Meloni, Georgia, okay. जॉर्जिया मेलेनी नमस्ते करना सीख गई है. Okay, so this is the video. So Narendra Modi friendship looks like it worked. That is what the people on platform X are saying, and namaste karna seekh gayi hai. Okay. What is followed by औरत को नमस्ते? Read it for yourself.
प्रैक्टिस कर रही है मोदी जी के इंतजार में.
Okay, let's not get into that. Okay, देख रहे हो विनोद, ये कैसा नमस्ते कर रही है, बहुत असर लगा है. नहीं, my Hindi is bad.
बहुत असर लग रहा है किसी का या फिर उसकी कामी खल रही है इनको. हाँ भैया जी, लग तो हमको भी लग रहा है.
Subtitle. We are so south. Okay. Yeah, subtitle.
She's either practicing to meet someone. No. Somebody has influenced her or somebody's absence is affecting her.
Yeah, but if you get the joke part of the tweet, please mention it in the comments below. असर पूरा है. Okay. This much I can understand. सही पकड़े हैं. Okay. Friends. Okay. महारानी गंगाबाई. Okay. Except him, a Hindu PM.
Except with a Hindu Prime Minister. Real born homie with Rishi Sunak.
Except with a Hindu PM. What is happening here?
What is happening? Okay, they meet and there is no namaste.
No namaste.
There is the Italian greet.
Why are they dancing? Hi Deepthi.
Oh.
This is not cute, यार. Selfie मैंने.
Look at that.
Okay, look what is coming up.
मोदी जी से मिलने की पहली प्रैक्टिस. मोदी जी से मिलने के पहले प्रैक्टिस.
राम राम बोलना भी सीख गई है, ये तो सुनाई नहीं देता.
पता नहीं चल रहा है.
This post by the Italian PM broke the internet. Correct. Good friends at COP28. Hashtag Melody. Oh, she put up that? Hashtag Melody. Oh. Such a cute tweet.
Okay, if you want to call it that.
Yeah. संस्कार उम्र से बड़ा है. बिग बी को भी लाना जरूरी था.
Oh no, the next comment. Come down, come down. Wah bhabhi namaste.
Oh my god. Okay, so these are some funny tweets that are circulating among across the platform X, and it's funny, but again, we are not getting into the details of can we ridicule the prime minister this way or can we make memes about it and all of that. We all have different opinions, but this is just about the outrage that is happening tomorrow, and we just thought of just looking at the kind of tweets that is happening, and that's what Tweet Pe Charcha is about. It is not about forming opinions, just questions and see how people are reacting to trends. So that was the reaction here. I hope you liked it, and I'm pretty sure you have a lot of jokes, a lot of creative people sitting out there. You have a lot of jokes and puns. Put all of that in the comment section below, and if you like this, hit the like button, subscribe for more such content, and that's it. With that, this is Maruti Acharya,
I'm Deepthi Rao.
and you're watching India Today So South.